Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Isn't it awesome when something that's healthy also includes chocolate? Well, I want to show you Zeal Superfoods Organic Cacao Powder because it is both those things, healthy and chocolate. So this is a raw cacao powder and it is awesome because it is a very nutrient dense food. It has tons of really good things, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and it's even known to help boost your mood. So you can't really go wrong with this. I absolutely love to stir it into so many different things. You can make it into a hot cocoa, you can stir it into a smoothie. I absolutely love to mix it with yogurt or even oatmeal, and it just makes everything better because what is better than chocolate? It has a rich, delicious chocolatey flavor. It's a little bit bitter and it's not too sour like other cacao powders that I have tried before. It just has a really beautiful flavor. So if you're looking to incorporate cacao powder into your diet, whether it's for the health benefits or just because it tastes amazing, then I would definitely recommend this one from Zeal Superfoods. I've been super pleased with it. It is a top quality cacao powder. It's super tasty, and that's my point of view.